So for today's video, we will create a program that will convert minutes to seconds. So first, let's create a project. Convert. Then import Java. So let's use this initialization in this flowchart. So int min and ans, and then int seconds equals to 60. Then this input symbol, so then that out. So this code will be outputted by the program, and then itong min equals scan dot next int, ito yung magre-read kung ano yung in-input neto dito ni user. Then proceed tayo dun sa formula, which is ans equals to min times sec. Ans equals min times sec. So ito yung formula na gagamitin ni user to convert yung in-input ni user dito sa input from this input symbol. So print out na natin yung output. So tapos na yung code natin. So again, ulitin ko lang. In this flowchart, ito yung initialization. And then ito yung input sa symbol. And then ito yung process, yung formula. And then ito yung output. So kapag niran natin yung program, enter a number that you want to convert from minutes to seconds. Let's say 5 minutes. Ito na yung output. In 5 minutes, there are 300 seconds.